Ezindaba zehora lesikhombisa sikwethula zingabukhoma ekomkhulu le-SABC e-Auckland Park eGoli nazi ezinohlonze kusihlwa nje.
The DA does not believe that positions are entitlement. Every representative of the DA who serves in government does so to advance our mission of growing the economy.
Ihhovisi likaMengameli wezwe seliqinisekisile ukuthi lisitholile isicelo somholi we-DA uJordan Hill-Lewis sokufuna ukuthi ungqongqoshe wezolimo uJohn Steenhuisen asuswe esikhundleni.
Has agreed to implement a range of critical interventions within the next 72 hours to accelerate the processing of Malawian nationals who have been accommodated at this site.
Sakunozinzo ngaphandle kwehholo laseSherwood eThekwini ngemva kokuthi amaphoyisa engqubuzane nabantu abadabuka kwelaseMalawi abalinde ukuphindiselwa kwelakubo.
I was under the impression that those strong room can never be accessed without a key.
Brigadier Campbell Nyuswa wama-Hawks KwaZulu-Natal utshela ikhomishana kaMadlanga ukuthi inhloko yalolu phiko uMajor General Lesetja Sinona uyena kuphela awayinokhiye wendawo okwebiwa kuyo idakamizwa ePortshepstone ngo-2021. Ngikubingelele mbukeli sikwamukele indabeni zehora lesikhombisa kusihlwa ozethulelwa uNoxolo uMamtshali wakwaMwali. Uza kwethu ositolikele ngolimi lwempawu uSinoviyo Fihlani. Ake sibheke ukuthi iziphi esikuphathele zona kusihlwa nje. Umholi we-DA uJordan Hill-Lewis ubhalele uMengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa ecela ukwenza inguquko kumalungu eqembu aneyikhundla kuhulumeni wobumbano. Leli qembu liphakamise ukuthi lo wayengumholi walo uJohn Steenhuisen asuswe esikhundleni sokuba ungqongqoshe wezolimo kunalokho abe yiphini likangqongqoshe wezohwebo, imboni kanye nokuncintisana.
Lifikelela esiphelweni ixesha likaJohn Steenhuisen njengomphathiswa wesebe lezolimo. Ulawulo lwakhe beluthwembende kuqhambuka kwesifo sochwane nenyebetu kwizilwanyana zeli.
So while we're busy rolling out the national fully funded vaccination program, we know that our commercial partners need the flexibility to protect their livestock right now.
IDA ifuna umphathiswa wesebe lezamahlathi ukuloba nokusiqongileyo uVelie Ukamp angene kwesisikhundla sika Steenhuisen. Ukamp wachongwa njengomphathiswa welisebe ngoNovemba wonyaka ophelileyo emva kokuxothwa kukaGqirha uDion George. IDA ithi emva kokujonga indlela amalungu ayo asebenza ngayo kurhulumente obambiswano babone kufanelekile ukuba kwenziwe olutshintsho.
The DA does not believe that positions are entitlement. Every representative of the DA who serves in government does so to advance our mission of growing the economy, creating jobs, fighting corruption and delivering the DA difference to all South Africans.
Umphathiswa wesebe lezemfundo eNtshona Kapa uDavid Mania kulindeleke abuyele eParlamente. Wayelilungu kusukela ngonyaka ka-2009 ukuya ku-2019 kwaye wenza isiphakamiso esichasene nezityholo zokubanjwa kombuso ngobhongwane. Iofisi kamongameli inqenile kuba ifumene imbalelwano esuka kwi-DA kwaye umongameli uCyril Ramaphosa uza kwenza isibhengezo kungekudala. Ndinguyamkela Mchiye wendaba ze-SABC eParlamente.
Umasipala weTheku kanye nomnyango wezasekhaya khona eThekwini baqinisa imizamo yokuqinisekisa ukuthi babuyele emakubo abakulelizwe ngokungemthetho. Njengamanje sekuvulwe indawo entsha eThekwini ngenhloso yokuthi kuphuthunyiswe lona uhlelo lokuba bahlonzwe njengoba nje sebegcwele eSherwood.
Emasontweni amabili edlula abadabuka eMalawi bathutheleke ehholo eSherwood eThekwini ngenhloso yokuqinisekisa ukuphepha kwabo. Labantu babalelwe enkulungwaneni eziyikhombisa kuya kweziyishumi. Kusenjalo ukugcwala kwalendawo abakuyo kubeka isimo sempilo yabo engcupheni. Umkhandlu-dolobha ithe kubuza ujuba amabhasi ukuba athuthela abantu baseMalawi abase kwenye indawo. Abadabuka eMalawi asebebuyisela ezweni labo esontweni eledlule bangaphezu kwenkulungwane eziyishumi nanhlanu.
Has agreed to implement a range of critical interventions within the next 72 hours to accelerate the processing of Malawian nationals who have been accommodated at this site for a prolonged period. These interventions seek to achieve the following objectives. stabilize the situation at this site, reduce humanitarian and public health risk.
Uzohlinzekwa ngeensizo okubalwa kuzo nemitholampilo engomahamba nendlwane ukuqinisekisa ukuthi baphephile kanye nesimo sempilo kulabo abadabuka kwamanye amazwe.
When we say we're taking people down there, firstly we need to understand one thing. This site was never established by anybody. We were called to respond to a site which was having people not have been brought by either the municipality or anybody. It was a man-made site by the people that are affected.
Endaweni entsha kuzoba nohlelo oluzolekelele ekuhlonzeni abangaphandle asebehlonzwe umnyango wezasekhaya. Izisebenzi ezengeziwe zomnyango wezasekhaya, abameli kanye namaphoyisa bazosiza ekusingatheni udaba lwalabo abasabhekene namacala obugebengu.
Izakhamuzi zaseThembisa ezikhungathekile zithi esinye sezizathu ezibangela ukuthi zifuna abantu bokufika baphume baphele kuleli ingenxa yokuthi bakholelwa ukuthi abokufika basebenzisa amathuba emisebenzi okufanele itholwe ngabantu bakuleli. Lokhu njengoba namhlanje lezi zakhamuzi zimashele estation samaphoyisa saseRabasuthu ukuhambisa uhlu lwezikhalo.
Bebebulala inyoka abantu abebeyingxenye yemashe umkhankaso ukuthi laba bakulelizwe ngokungemthetho babuyele emazweni abo. Lapha ke obehola insizwa ubonakala ezichela ngentelezi, abanye bebonakala bekukhona bakukhothayo beyiqinisa isibindi njengoba imashi bisiqala. Unkosikhona Ndabandaba owaziwa ngelikaphakela umthakathi uthi manje sekuyisikhathi sokuthi abantu basukume bayeke ukusonga izandla okwamanina.
Lelizwe lizolunga. Sekwenzeka isikhathi eside for 32 years, even amaphoyisa have given up. Even some leaders have given up.
Izakhamuzi zaseThembisa zithi okubuhlungu ukuthi zona isebenzi zithi amathuba athathwa abantu bokufika kulelizwe. Omunye uthi ngisho ibhizinisi lakhe alihambi kahle ngoba ukhona okufika wavela waxhumekela eduze nje kwakhe abantu bambalekela.
Khona manje nama-RDP asinawo, khona manje le etlevile kugcwele abantu bangaphandle thina sihlala emicashweni asisebenzi, sigcwele lana sonke asisebenzi, kusebenza bona.
Inhlangano engenzi inzuzo izodwa Khoza Foundation isimeme inhlangano zezenkolo kanye nabantu njengoba kuzoba nomthandazo kulamasonto ezayo ngaphambi komnqamulajuqu uqhubeke abathile abawubekela abantu abakuleli ngokungemthetho.
We have called out to our faith-based organizations and our partners, volunteers and beneficiaries to join us on the 29th of June for an evening night of prayer where we are going to be praying with one voice, asking the Almighty, the divine source of all things.
Uhulumeni uthikele ingqinamba abantu abakhala ngayo uyayixazulula. Igama lami nguCalvin wakwaDludla endabeni ze-SABC ngibika ngiseThembisa.
Ubufakazi obethulwe phambi kwesithangami sekhomishana kaMadlanga namhlanje buphinde bashiya isithombe sokuthi uyaziwa ngaphakathi kumaHawks okuyena onesandla ngokwebiwa komthamo wezidakamizwa zenani leigidi ezimbili zamarandi ezathathwa ehhovisi lawo elisePortchepston ngo-2021 lapho ke ezayigcinwe khona. Ikhomishana ibilalele izethulo zobufakazi bukaBrigadier Campbell Nyuswa wamaHawks KwaZulu-Natal.
Nyuswa osanda kumiswa emsebenzini kwale ngisho usihlalo wekhomishana izama ukumjijimeza ngelokuthi agagule igama lephoyisa okuyilona elisolwa ngokunyamalala komthamo omkhulukazi wecocaine yesisindo sika 541 kg eyantshontshwa ehhovisi lamaHawks ePortchepston.
Brigadier, right at the end you mentioned a person that you appear to suspect to be the person that stole the exhibits in Portchepston, but you did not mention that person's name. Who was that person?
My apologies, Chair. I thought you were referring to a different person. No, yeah. No.
I'm talking about what the Brigadier said right at the end.
No, Chair, that can't be mentioned.
So I steer clear of that one.
Yes, Chair.
Thank you.
Unyuswa uthi kukhona ukushaya amanzi ngokugqekezwa kwesiqukathi esasigcine isidakamizwa. Uchaze wathi indawo lapho ezazigcinwe khona ayigqekezeki ngaphandle kokufinyelela kuyo ngokuthi ivulwe ngokhiye. Okhiyeke bonke baleyo ndawo utshele ikhomishana ukuthi babegcinwe inhloko yama-Hawks uMajor General Leseja Senona naye osemisiwe esikhundleni.
I suspected it to be staged because I was under the impression that those strong room can never be accessed without a key.
Isithangami sekhomishana kaMadlanga siyaqhubeka kusasa.
Sigodliwe isinqumo odabeni oluphakathi komkhonto wesizwe phathi kanye nekhomishana yezokhetho enkantolo ebhekele indaba zokhetho eGoli. iMK Party ikhale ngobuhixihixi bobuchwepheshe besimanje ohlelweni lwebhodi le-IEC lwaphambilini. Isola nokuthi kwakhwatshaniswa amavoti.
Iqembu umkhonto wesizwe kanye nekhomishana yezokhetho bebephikisana phambi kwenkantolo yezokhetho ngodaba lwemiphumela yokhetho lukazwelonke lango-2024. Ithimba labameli beqembu lisola ngokuthi imiphumela yakhwatshaniswa lokhu njengoba uhlelo lwekhomishana lawuke lacima amahora alinganiselwa kwamabili ngesikhathi kubalwa amavoti.
If you find on expert evidence that the system was not reliable and you refuse to endorse the integrity of the electoral system, you would be obliged to make that kind of declaration.
Okay. All right, so you seeking all of two?
No, yes, all of two.
Ithimba labameli bale khomishana bathi isicelo se-MK Party siphazamisa ukusebenza kwezinqubo zenkantolo.
The declaration is an abuse of the process of the court, and for that reason should be struck down. They come before the court not with a known and proven defect in the process, but they seek at all costs to discredit the election.
IEC yaqhubeka nokugcizelela ukuthi ukhetho lukazwelonke lwango-2024 lwalungenagcobo.
It's an important premium in the electoral process, which is why we've insisted that the matter be heard so that it can be determined judiciously.
Isicelo se-MK Party siza nje sekusele izinyanga ezimbalwa ngaphambi kokhetho lohulumeni bezindawo ngoLwezi kulo nyaka.
Mbukelisi sathi qhu eyitolo kanti uma ngabe sibuya sobeke sikuphathele ezinye ke indaba zosuku kanye nomhlahlo wesimo sezulu ngayindawo. Sibele sikubingelele sikwamukele uma ngabe usanda kungena mbukela sikhumbuza ukuthi lezi indaba ziyatholakala ku YouTube na ku SABC Plus. Ungena kuze uyicinga amagama athi SABC izindaba na kanjani uzoyithola ngomnjalo bazo. Umholi weBuild One South Africa iBosa uDokotela uMusi Maimane usememezele uNobuntu Hlazo Webster njengozongenela isikhundla sobumeya kuleli qembu eGoli.
Ladies and gentlemen, fellow South Africans, the Bosa mayoral candidates for the 4th of November, who we are going to work tirelessly to make sure that she is the next mayor of Johannesburg. Outing in Ibizele, uNobuntu Hlazo Webster.
It is genuinely a really deeply humbling moment to stand before you today, to accept the nomination to stand as Bosa's mayoral candidate for the city of Johannesburg. And it is humbling because it is an enormous responsibility. And I want to, at this point, recognize the board of Bosa that is here, the selection panel that led the process of choosing candidates across the country that would stand and of choosing this candidacy as well. I want to say that I thank you, and I want to say that I take this with a great, great sense of responsibility.
Inkantolo ephakeme yaseMthatha ehlezi elusikisike Eastern Cape isichithile isicelo sommangalelo oqala umzukisi Ndamase sokufuna ukhoxiswa amacala okubulala abhekene nawo maqondana nesigameko sokubulawa kwabantu abayi-18 esigodini saseNgobozana ngo-2024.
Sigwebo ujaji uRichard Brooks ukhankanye ubungqina bengqina lombuso uLwando Abi kwanemvumotyala zatyholwa nabo uNdamase. Ujaji Brooks uthi nangona uNdamase wayengekho buqu xa kwakusophulwa umthetho, umyalelo wona wokuba kubulawe abo bantu wavela ngqo kuye. Uphinde wathi ubungqina buka-Abi buhambisana twatse neemvumotyala zabo amangalelwe nabo zokuba balwenza ulwaphulo-mthetho ngokomyalelo kaNdamase.
Now that isigwebo sele siphumile iyasonwabisa loo nto uzoqaphela ke fundi into yokuba ubungqina obuninzi ebekuvezwa phaa ecourt ibubungqina ebebukhomba kuye yena uMr Ndamase lowo. So naxa bekunokuthiwa ke ngoku akaseyongxenye yalo case biyothetha ukuthi ekugqibeleni le case ifana necase ephelileyo.
Zabafi zifunela ityala lisasazwe kumabonakude ngenxa yomdla eliwutsalileyo eluntwini.
Since icameras ngoku ziphumile court abantu ngoku baphelelwe ngumdla kule case, but ndinethemba now that sele kunesigwebo esiphumileyo abantu noko kunoba bazoza ngobuninzi babo ecourt.
Uvakalise ukuba uza kubiza ingqina lidonsa isigwebo kwintolongo yaseWellington eMthatha ukuba linike ubungqina. Ityala limiselwe umhla wama-20 kuJulayi. Kwiindaba ze-SABC ndingufundiswa Mhlekude elusikisiki.
Sekunenhlansi yethemba eyisebenzini zenkampani enkulukazi ekhiqiza ushukela iTongaat Hewlett njengoba selimisiwe uhlelo lwasenkantolo lokuvalwa kwenkampani kashukela. Ukhoxiswa kwalolu daba enkantolo ephakeme yaseThekwini kulandela isivumelwano esisha okufinyelelwe kusona ngemzuzu yokugcina phakathi kwenkampani iVision Consortium kanye nohlaka likahulumeni IDC olubhekele ukusimamiswa kweinkampani zamabhizinisi. iVision Consortium iyona esizobhekana ke nohlelo lonke lwezikweletu zeTongaat Hewlett ngokwesivumelwano esishicilele ne-IDC. iTongaat Hewlett sekuphele iminyaka engaphezulu kwemithathu ibekwe ngaphansi kohlelo lokutakulwa kwamabhizinisi agubuze lweziyinkinga ngakwezemali. Umkhakha wezebhola lombhoxo kuleli usugqemeke engeqwantwala emva kokudlula emhlabeni kwenkakha yalomdlalo uThemba Ludwaba emva kokugula isikhathi eside. uLudwaba wadlalela iqembu ngaphansi kwenhlangano ikwaZakhele Rugby Union iKwaru edlalela iSpring Rose kanye neEastern Province.
Inkonde uThemba Ludwaba ebeniminyaka i-80 kwaye uzenzele igama kumdlalo wombhoxo ngonyaka bo-1960 edlalela iKwaru Eastern Province kuquka neSpring Rose ngexesha urhulumente wocalucalulo. Waye wawongwa ngebhatyi yamabhokobhoko ngenxa yesakhono sakhe uquka neAndrew Mlangeni Green Jacket ngonyaka 2024.
Siyazama ke ukudibana as a family ukuba sikwazi kumanyana so that sikwazi ukugqitha kule period sekuyo with grace.
Isithonga sokusweleka kukaThemba Ludwaba umqoqwa eyongezantsi Gabadula benguXholovane kuvaliwe kwezombhoxo.
Ali bakwilokishi yaseNew Brighton bathi balahlekelwe.
Rugby besidlala siphethwe ngodade uQeqe ibinepolitiki phakathi and then ke saqhuba ke and then sadlala sade sazongena pha kubo.
Ushiya ngasemva abantwana bakhe abathandathu kwaye uza kubekwa kwikhaya lakhe lokugqibela ngolwesihlanu weveki ezayo. Ndikuzolani Moya wendaba ze-SABC ndiseGqeberha.
Eyitolo sobe sikuphathela umhlahlo wesimo sezulu noThini Ntshiza.
Nginibengele babukile emakhaya ngiphinde nginamukele kwesimo sezulu sanamhlanje kwesihlwa ake sibheke simi kanjani uzoqaphela nje mbukeli liphenile ke nje izolo kakhulukazi ngempela mabhekise khona ke nje esifundazweni iEastern Cape kanjalo nje esifundazweni iWestern Cape kanti kakhona ke nje lamathuba emvula engasho nje ukuthi umkhemezelo athanda baqiniseke nje khona ke eMbombela kuyanjalo nje eRichards Bay nakhona ke nje eThekwini kanti kusasa swalindela ke nje lamathuba emvula engasho nje ukuthi umkhemezelo khona ke nje eMbombela kuyanjalo nje esifundazweni KwaZulu-Natal nakhona ke nje eGqeberha kuyanjalo nje eKapa lodumo kanti ke amazinga okushisa kusasa ame kanje mobhekise khona ke nje eGoli Soweto kanti ongaziyaduma ngasho nje ukuthi liyakubuza ngempela ukuthi ngubongaki ke namhlanje ebusuku ngawo nje u7 iyabanda ke nakhona ke nje kusasa singawulindela nje u17 kuye njalo nje ePretoria singawulindela nje u19 kanti masibhekise khona ke nje esifundazweni iLimpopo amazinga okushisa ame kanje lithanda ukuthi nje lipholeke eGiyani ngo23 kuye njalo nje eMusina singawulindela nje u24 mobheke nje khona ke esifundazweni iMpumalanga amazinga okushisa ame kanje eMbombela singawulindela nje u21 kuye njalo nje eMahikeng liyabanda ngawo nje u18 masibhekise khona ke nje esifundazweni iKwaZulu-Natal eThekwini eClermont kwaMashu eMlazi singawulindela nje u24 kuye njalo nje uLundulimi nje ku25 kanti ke masibhekise khona ke ePortshepstone eOshabeni singawulindela nje u23 kanti masibhekise khona ke nje esifundazweni Eastern Cape amazinga okushisa ame kanje ngasho nje ukuthi mabhekise khona ke nje eMthatha ungawulindela nje u22 kuye njalo nje eGqeberha lithanda ukuthi nje libandeke nje ngawo nje u20 mabhekise khona ke nje esifundazweni iWestern Cape amazinga okushisa ame kanje liyabanda eKapa lodumo ngawo nje u18 kuye njalo nje eGeorge liyabanda ngawo nje u17 ngamabhekise khona ke nje esifundazweni iNorthern Cape amazinga okushisa ame kanje eKimberley lithanda ukuthi nje lipholeke nje ngawo nje u20 kuye njalo ke nje eUppington singawulindela nje u23 mabhekise khona ke nje eFree State amazinga okushisa ame kanje liyabanda ke eBethlehem singawulindela nje u16 kuye njalo ke nje nakhona ke Welcome lisabanda ngawo nje u19 mabhekise khona ke nje esifundazweni iNorthwest amazinga okushisa ame kanje lithanda ukuthi nje lipholeke eRustenburg ngo20 phole njalo ke nakhona ke nje eMahikeng singawulindela nje u20 isibeka lapho ke isimo sezulu sanamhlanje kusihlwa mina ke nginto ngamadlamini olangelihle ngoba libalele ngithi konke kufeziwe.
Mbukeli ube nobusuku obuhle usale kahle.